Every night the moon rises, silent, distant, eternal. It has guided our oceans, our calendars, and even our evolution. But imagine, one day it's simply gone. No moon in the sky, no silver light over the seas. What would happen to Earth and to us if the moon suddenly disappeared? Let's start with the moment it disappears. If the moon were to vanish instantly, without an explosion, without debris, Earth wouldn't be thrown out of orbit. That's because the moon only makes up about 1/81st of Earth's mass. Our planet would continue circling the sun, as usual. But the first thing we'd notice would be darkness. The moon reflects sunlight, about 12% of it, lighting up our nights. Without it, our nights would be nearly 20 times darker. Predators and prey that depend on moonlight would be thrown into chaos. Migratory birds, sea turtles, insects, all rely on its gentle glow to survive. Next comes the tides. The moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, creating the rhythmic rise and fall we call tides. Without the moon, this balance collapses. Earth would still have tiny tides caused by the sun, but they'd be less than 1/3 as strong. Coastal ecosystems, tidal pools, mangroves, coral reefs would begin to die out. Animals that depend on tidal rhythms to feed or reproduce would struggle to survive. Our planet's heartbeat would grow quiet. The moon doesn't just light our nights, it stabilizes our planet. Right now, Earth tilts at 23.5 degrees, giving us stable seasons. But without the moon, that tilt could swing wildly, anywhere between 10 degrees and 60 degrees over millions of years. Imagine a world where Antarctica melts completely one century and freezes over Europe the next. The moon is our anchor. Without it, Earth would wobble like a spinning top, losing balance. Life, including ours, would struggle to adapt. Here's something most people don't realize. The moon is slowly slowing down Earth's rotation. When it formed 4.5 billion years ago, a day on Earth lasted only about 5 hours. Now, thanks to the moon's pull, it's stretched to 24 hours. Without the moon, this gradual slowdown would stop. Earth's spin would remain faster than it should over billions of years. Days would stay shorter, winds would grow stronger, and global storms could become more violent. The delicate balance between day and night, gone. The moon didn't just appear by chance. Most scientists believe it formed when a Mars-sized planet named Theia collided with early Earth. That violent impact flung debris into space, which eventually came together to form the moon. It shaped our tides, slowed our rotation, and helped life stabilize. Without that event, without the moon, life as we know it might never have evolved. And if it disappeared now, our future might slowly unravel. Human civilization, built on predictable seasons and tides, would face chaos. Coastal cities might flood or dry up unpredictably. Agriculture would collapse under shifting climates. And the starry night sky, once a companion, would feel strangely empty. But humans adapt. It's what we do best. We might build artificial satellites to replace the moon's gravitational influence. We could create artificial tides using energy reactors, or even live underground and on other planets. Some scientists propose that in the far future, humanity might capture a new moon, perhaps redirecting an asteroid into orbit. It would take unimaginable energy, but survival has always required imagination. Even in darkness, we would find a way to create light. Yet, something irreplaceable would be lost. The moon has shaped our myths, music, poetry, even love itself. It guided travelers, inspired dreamers, and reflected our deepest emotions. A world without the moon wouldn't just lose its tides, it would lose a piece of its soul. So if you look up tonight and see that pale, glowing circle, remember, it's more than a rock in space. It's a silent guardian, keeping our world steady, alive, and full of wonder. The moon made Earth what it is, and as long as it shines above us, so does hope.